I'm gonna make supper, and I made some biscuits, and I'm gonna make some sausage to go along with them. Now, I thought I would do a video on this for all of you that have allergies to pork, or maybe you just would like to eat turkey and you've tried it and you didn't like it. I've had so many people tell me, I don't see how you eat turkey all the time because it's nasty. But I'm gonna show you how we doctor up this turkey sausage and make it taste like pork sausage. So first of all, we buy the all-natural frozen turkey breakfast sausage, and if we find a different brand, that's okay too. That doesn't really matter. But I have defrosted this, and I'm gonna cut it open. And let me get this where you can see. Go ahead and put that turkey in a bowl. Now grab the sage, and we are going to add about a half a teaspoon of sage to this. If you want your turkey sausage a little bit spicy, add some red pepper. And I'm going to add maybe a fourth a teaspoon. And just go ahead and mix that up and fry it up just like pork sausage. It really is that simple. It took me a long time to figure out how to eat things differently, but my husband is amazing. When I met him, he created the most wonderful dishes for me, and this is actually what he does to the turkey sausage to make it better. So good, y'all. And honestly, I don't even miss pork sausage because this is so good. So I hope this helps some of you out there who have a pork allergy, or maybe you just want to cut back and eat turkey. Y'all have a good evening. Stay cool.